As a matter of fact, if you have a cigarette in that booth, and I saw that with one of the maintenance guy, I'm not smoking, but one of these guys, he shouldn't. He was like, I'm done with this filter change. Let me just put up a cigarette. He stood right next to me, and there's the smoke instead of a plume, it's like a line going down right next to you, as if it's like a stick in the air.
Yeah.
And I could see it. I could look at it. I could see it. Like, and there's nothing. You can't smell it. It's just the smoke stayed contained. Now, in the pandemic, COVID, I was here in New York City, and indoors, because of that mixing, what I just talked about, COVID could spread much easier indoors than outdoors.
Mm.
Because like it could linger and stay in the room and mix up with everything, and so people
Yeah.
10 minutes later could catch COVID from somebody who already left the room, which is like completely freaky and weird. And we only started learning
Gotcha.
about that during the pandemic, right?
Yeah.
My thing was like, what if we built those clean rooms, those porous ceiling clean rooms, inside restaurants and bars? Then we don't have that problem. So I started doing that. I started building a portable version of what I learned could be a clean room. So like a huge fan, a lot of airflow, and then a kind of stabilizing controlled device that creates a downdraft. Um, Now that we placed into bars, restaurant, it was, and it's again the trickiest thing was to in the time to understand, like to teach this to people in the bars and restaurants. Like, no, this is how it works. I can measure it. And
Right.
so during COVID, we got some traction with dentists and with clinics because the dentists they always work with their mouths and there's a lot of spit and goo coming up, so they already know how dirty it is in working with particles every day.